Crafty Caboodle. Let's get crafty today.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to do this pocket gift wrap where you can put little decorations inside and it makes it look so cute. So let's get started. All right, we have the gift I want to wrap. It's this really cool book I got at Target. We have our wrapping. Here is the bottom of my wrapping right here. Grab the gift you're going to wrap. And I'm gonna see if this is gonna be enough wrapping down here. So this is literally one square. If your gift wrap has the dotted squares, it's fabulous. You want your gift to be in the middle right here, and then the same number of squares on this side. And I'm just gonna cut up. You wanna have a lot of wrapping. So I've got about 7 squares going up. All right, this is perfect. So what you want to start doing, you want to grab the top and you want to fold it over. All right, I'm going to start with this side. So you want to take this and you want to bend it like right in the middle, right here. And you want to do the same thing on this side. Okay, so then you have kind of like a triangle. Bend this side down. Same thing on this side. Doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. It'll look fabulous. All right, and then do it again. Just fold it over, just like so. I mean, really, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just want to fit something inside. You want to grab your tape and just tape off the rest and then do the bottom. All right, and there you have it. Such a cute little pocket gift wrap. Now you can put something inside of it. I also have like a gold little leaf you can tuck in there. I mean, come on. How cute is this? I love the pocket wrapping. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas.